Hello and welcome to another episode of Borg Tries to Fix It. So today we're going to be working on the Lincoln Mark LT, the newer truck. And so what we're going to be doing is changing out the center console. So if you look down here, right there, I found this console on eBay for like $100. It came out of a wrecked Mark LT. It's in much better condition than the one that's in the vehicle. So first step, we're going to go to the truck. We're going to take out the one that's in there. It's a little involved. We got to take out the shifter, but shouldn't be that big a deal. We'll take it out, then off camera I'll probably clean everything up, put the new one in, and we'll take it from there. All right, let's get started. Okay, we are in the car. So first this comes off. Put that over there. And then, sorry about the camera work here, doing everything with one hand. This panel's going to come off, and we have a screw over here. We'll go to the other side of the car. This panel's going to come off. We got a screw there, and then I don't know if you can see this, but down in here is going to be two screws kind of on the back corner on each side. And then we're also going to have to unhook the shifter and pull this whole unit out, and then hopefully the unit will come out, and then we'll put the new one in. Alright, I'll do my best trying to film all this. So let's start with this. Helps if I use the right size. Yeah. Alright. Let's start with this. Get this off. That's out. Okay. Other side. Okay. All right. Okay. So if you look down in here, there's some bolts down there, right there, over here, and up over there. I already loosened those, and there's a linkage in there that you can't really see up in here, right here. Sorry about the focus, that I got off. So this whole unit at this point should come out. Easier said than done. Alright, that's out. So that's just going to go on the floor over here. Alright, so that's clear. We also have two bolts up under here. We're going to get off. You know, it's interesting. All these bolts are different sizes. I gotta go get another socket. But anyway, I'm going to get these two bolts off, and then I'll work on the ones in the back, and that should be it. Okay, we're in the back of the truck, and this is back behind the back seat. And just this right here just needs to come out. Alright, that's out. I'll just go grab the one on the other side. Okay, here we go. We'll get this out. Alright, she's out. Let's see if this thing is free. It's free. All right. I'm just gonna pull that out and then I'll bring the camera back and show you what's underneath. Okay, so this is what it looks like with it out. Little bracket in the back, bracket in the front. A little surface rust on everything. Seems to be just the way it is in here. So I'm gonna clean all this up and then we'll get going putting the new one in. Alright, here's a little side-by-side comparison of the two. The old one, cracked, missing the emblem here, and the new one. Emblem there, a little bit cleaner. This one also has some discoloration on the side. I was just going to change the armrest, but you know, when I saw this one on eBay and it had the whole kit and caboodle, I figured, what the heck, let's just change it all out. Okay, we got this all cleaned up and ready to go. I took off this bracket and the bracket in the front here and painted them black so they're not all rusty. Alright, so now I'm just gonna get the unit and put it back in here. but let me take you in for a closer look. Looks pretty good. Not bad at all. This is definitely much nicer here. Yeah. Overall, that was not too bad a job. You know, it took a little bit longer because I stop to paint those couple of brackets, but I'm really happy with how that came out. That looks great. So overall, I think that went well. Came out really nice. It does make the seats look a little dumpy, but you know, I still gotta clean those up a little bit, try and get some of the staining off. They do make new seat covers, but I think, you know, with this being a work truck, you know, gonna be using it for a lot of brews and stuff, so I don't think I need to go, you know, quite that extreme. But anyway, good project, nice and simple. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Later.